my tips to new moms, especially the new moms out there. Enjoy the motherhood journey and the playtime. Make playtime your favorite bonding with your children, because you know they grow up so fast. So one special tip I can share with you when it comes to playtime is to put your phones away and just really enjoy the moment, unbothered, and not doing anything else but just focusing on that playtime. Kasi the kids know if you're giving that special time with them, and it goes a long way if you spend just 15 to 30 minutes of playtime with them. You'll be surprised how much you'll also learn from your kids while they're playing with you. So just savor the moment, enjoy the playtime while they're still children, but because you'll be surprised that one day wala nang playtime kasi they're already grown up. So just enjoy the moment while they're still enjoying playtime with you.